Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. And Bello and I, we got an announcement. So, we're going to start a new beginners series of fishing called Terrible at Fishing, ? Not anymore. I don't think so. So, my goal in this new series is really aimed for the beginners and children for fishing. And we are going to discuss things as simple as how to bait a hook, how to set a bobber, what to fish for and how to fish for it. You know, the type of equipment that we need, the tackle boxes, things like that. It'll be a fun series. We'll do it on location and in studio, and we'll just have a good time with it. So I'll try to create some fun animations, like the one you see behind me, and like the one you saw at the very beginning of this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please hit the affiliate link down below for kastking product. That helps support the channel. So please go ahead and click on that and buy something off of kastking.com. I want to thank you all. It's going to be a lot of fun. So Terrible at Fishing ? Not anymore is coming your way. So look forward to it. I'll probably be putting up the first episode just next week. So take care, everybody, and you'll see me out on the water.